So we booked a character dining here at the Storyteller Cafe. You excited?
Yes!
Yo, what's up everybody? We're the RCs, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is RC's Adventures.
So this restaurant is located inside Grand California Hotel. We booked tickets online. It's about $59 a ticket. So this is a buffet style, and what happens is the characters come around to the table and meet and greet with the kids.
My Jacob. So I got an egg, a Mickey Mouse waffle, 2 sausage, 1 steak I think, and 2 bacon.
Who's having the Coke? Coke right here.
What else? One blueberry. So let's go chilaquiles.
Alright, Jazzy.
3 is enough. Scan this code, this QR code, and then it will bring you with this serve selections. You order it from your server. It is included already with your buffet prices. And then they also serve alcohol. Jeremy got avocado toast on ciabatta, and then the server recommended the salmon poke, and then I got the crab cake.
So this lunch experience, this is a breakfast lunch. So they have breakfast and lunch items, and it's a 90-minute experience. So you book your tickets, you guys hang out here for 90 minutes, and it's way easier than waiting in line in Disneyland to meet the characters. They're everywhere around here. Get a picture, ready? Say cheese. Damn, son! You got a Mickey pancake right there. Cheers.
Thank you!
It's all fun until that bill comes. Say bye to Mickey. water movie.
So far from me, look at the middle holes.
Wait, it looks like it's the same size as a straw. Who has a straw? Wait. Oh, you spilled your drink. It's okay, it's okay. I got it.
But I need to tell you something, guys.
Yeah.
Mickey kiss. I hugging him, but Mickey kiss my head. Wow, pop, pop.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.